In this video, we're going to walk through the process of adding and validating classes in your shopping cart in Albert. Once you've learned how to use the course search, you can begin adding and validating classes you're interested in taking to your shopping cart. You should do this before your enrollment appointment arrives to check for time conflicts, missing requisites, departmental or instructor consent, or other program restrictions. Once you find a class you're interested in taking, click the Select button for that specific class. On the next page, select Yes from the drop-down menu to be put on the waitlist if the class is full. You can also enter a permission code if one is required for classes with departmental or instructor consent. There may be additional class details and important notes available to view on this screen. Click the Next button. You may receive a waitlist warning at this time. If you receive this message, don't worry. It just means that when your enrollment appointment is open, you should make sure you don't go over your credit load limit or try to register for 2 classes that meet at the same time. Click OK. Return to the home screen by exiting out of the window. Once you have at least one class in your cart, you can begin the class validation process, which gives you the opportunity to correct any course selection errors before your enrollment appointment. Click the Validate, Enroll, Edit button to confirm your eligibility for your saved classes. Select a class by choosing Yes from the drop-down menu. Then click the Validate button. You'll receive a message with the results. In this example, I received a green check in the message that the class is okay to add. If there is a potential problem, the screen will display a red cross and a message that explains the error. You can return to your shopping cart or exit out of the page to return to your Albert home screen. Now, in your shopping cart, in the Messages column, you'll see the status of your classes. Hover over the icon to see details. Then continue adding classes to your cart to prepare for your enrollment appointment. Please note, having a validated class in your shopping cart does not mean you have been enrolled in the class. You must return to the shopping cart at your enrollment date and time to finish the enrollment process. For more information about registration, please visit the website and contact your advisor or student link with any questions.